Okay, so I'm starting our today's session now. So this point and second point is this one. So here, so basically, when you drawn these 2 points here, this point and this point, so there is another point already here, and this is very near to the support.
Okay.
So first point you have to take this one, second point this one, and now third point you have to take this one. If you see market creating more than 3 candlestick here in a row, so then it's not your perfect situation. But if you see market create only 3 candlestick or 1 candlestick or 2 candlesticks, and last candlestick volume is low, so then you have opportunity here to place your trade to the upper direction. Okay, so this is one thing. And another thing is, if you take this one as a first and this one as a second, now this is as a third. So now see, this is high, this is lower high. Market already created high and lower high, so that means it's a downtrend market situation already market created here. So in this case, we don't have any opportunity here also. Okay, here,
Okay.
because when market creates high and lower, low and higher low, this is low, this is higher low, high and higher high, in the uptrend market situation. But market already created here, this is high, this is lower high. That means after this bearish candlestick you are analyzing, like this candlestick and this volume. So if this type of extra large volume exactly here with a strong candlestick and market create high and lower high, it's not your perfect situation. You don't have any opportunity in this case. So you can draw like this also. Okay, if you take this one and this one, okay, it's looking like horizontal, no need to draw here. Okay, now I'm trying to draw another. Okay. First point, second point, and then third point. So this third candlestick volume, I think this one. Yes. See. So this is the perfect situation. Try to understand here. Market created here a basement. Okay. All this candlestick and all this movement of the market. See, this is a very strong movement by the buyer side. Am I right?
Yeah.
So first point and then second point, then market again is strongly going up, and suddenly market create this is inverted hammer candle. That is very weak candlestick by the seller side. Where sellers weak? Sellers weak at the buyer's area now, because this is support, this is support. Now this is our third point, and sellers are very, very weak. So now we have opportunity here to place our trade to the upper direction, and that is the very, very perfect situation I was talking about in this type of situation, not like this type of situation. Okay, because market already created here a high then lower high, and here this is not like that type of situation here. This is low, this is higher low, this is high, this is higher high. So this is higher low, this is not the lower high. Okay.
Okay.
First, second, and then third. Okay, if the third candlestick inside of this area, okay, market trying to create a range, then it strongly broke this level, and this candlestick, this is not so strong candlestick by the seller side. First, second, and then third. When market create this situation with low volume, yes, this candlestick volume is low. Now, this is the perfect situation. We can place our trade in this third situation, third point. First and then second. This is the third. Okay, third task.
But that candle wasn't a red candle. The touched candle.
Which candle?
The candle that touched the line. It was a green candle.
The green candle.
Yeah. The
Okay.
red candle.
Red
that
candle
again.
didn't touch this level. That's the
Yeah,
this one.
yeah.
Okay, when this candlestick didn't touch this level, but this candlestick is very near to this level. So
Okay.
don't place your trade immediately here. When market in this, we have to place our trade in this candlestick. Am I right? This green candlestick.
Yeah.
So when this
Yeah.
green candlestick, when this candlestick forming, and when this candlestick came below this level, then we have opportunity from here to go up. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Here, I think this one SNR, resistance breakout support. So
Yeah, but
resistance breakout support, it's okay, but it's already a downtrend situation, and market already created here a momentum. That's why, although market create this candlestick volume is low, we don't have any opportunity here to place our trade to the upper direction, because already downtrend market situation already started from this area. That's why we don't have any opportunity. Okay. Before placing our trade, we must confirm that market already created here a basement and market is very strong by the buyer side. So then we have opportunity to place our trade to the direction of the trend. For the same situation for downtrend market also. When market create a strong movement by the seller side, first of all, we need to confirm that one party, which party we have to go with by that party, and we must confirm that party is very strong. So how that party is strong? After creating a ranging type situation, or after any chart pattern, so market may started to going up or falling down very strongly. So that time we have to analyze the market. We have to take advantage from the weakness sign by opposite party. If downtrend market, we have to take advantage from the buyers, and we have to place our trade to the downward direction only, and we have to set all our rules as downtrend market rules. And in uptrend market, we always go with the buyers. But here, yes, it's a SNR level, so resistance breakout support, and market reverse here also, but this is not a perfect way of trading. Okay.
okay.
So now, so how we can draw SNR in this market? Resistance breakout support, market is going up. Till now, it's not create any downtrend movement or this type of momentum. So, and there is only two candlestick that is very weak candlestick by the seller side, and that volume is low also. So now we have opportunity here. Even we have opportunity here also. If this candlestick, yes, this candlestick volume again low here also. So we can easily place two trades, here one and here another, this one and this one. By this strategy, resistance after breakout become a support. This is a trend line SNR strategy. Okay. But if we draw like this, what happened? This is SNR, it's okay. Market reverse also here, okay. But it's a momentum. Momentum can break any types of level. It may break this level also and fall down also. That's why it's risky. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, we need to identify a strong trendy situation by buyer side or by seller side. After that, we can draw level, we can analyze the market by any types of rules, color sense rules, psychological movement rules, and I already explained so many rules. So by that, any rules, we can analyze the market, and we have to just place our trade to the direction of the trend. That is the very profitable way of trading. That is the very perfect trade to place a trade successfully. Otherwise, our winning ratio will be very low. That's why we will not place our trade by when the situation is conflicted and when the situation is not easy. complicated situation we will not use. We only use the very, very easy strategy and easy logic. And each and every trade we must place after analyzing very perfectly with the logic. If the logic is, there is no logic, illogical situation, we will not place any trade. Okay. So for the first one, first task this one, second task this one. So this candlestick volume is extra high. I think which one? This one. Okay.
Yeah, the volume is high, so we can't take the trade, right?
Yes. So when this type of situation happen, there is a gap also. Okay. So there is a gap also. But if this gap is very close, but that is very, very weak candlestick by the buyer side with low volume, then only we have opportunity. Otherwise, we don't have any opportunity. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm drawing here, trying to draw here any, if there any level here or not. Okay. If I add these two. Okay. So market was falling down and it's a momentum type situation. And this is very, very weak candlestick with low volume here. So first point, second point, now this is my third point. And very weak candlestick by the buyer side with low volume. So this is the perfect situation. We can place our trade here to the end. This is the huge winning market, close very perfectly below our entry point. If we can just place our trade from here. Okay.
Okay.
So we must place our trade with the logic. Okay. So today I will try to combine all of our knowledge, how you can attend a trade in the chart and how you will get again and again all our easy rules and easy situation. And I will try to explain today in the ranging type situation how you can analyze one after one each and every candlestick. So it's little confusing. That's why till now I didn't explain. But if you understand, you can place your trade. But by my side, I don't recommend you to place any trade in a complex situation. Just try to place your trade very easy and with logic, easy situation, easy rules and with logic. But I will share with you how you can attend in a ranging market. I already explained the ranging market. We always try to place at the third point. Today I will also show you. But when the market is like this, it's not a tight range and not third point. So market is just moving like this type of ranging type situation. We can also analyze here to here is and every candlestick, and we can analyze. But it totally sometimes it will confuse you. But if you understand, then it's okay. But if you don't understand, don't place any trade by that type of analysis. So we can analyze each and every candle here to here, bearish candlestick and bullish candlestick also here to here in this type of ranging market, and we can analyze the market, what will be the next candlestick. So I will try to share it today also. And first of all, I will try to combine all the knowledge how we can place a sheer short trade, almost sheer short trade by combining all the rules and how we can take so many confirmations from the market for placing a easy trade. Okay, so always follow one thing, that when market is in a ranging situation, and always try to understand one thing. If you see the previous market condition is a very good trendy situation in the left side, it may downtrend or it may uptrend. So market will trying to create another ranging type little range, and then if this type of situation, and after that sellers hit the buyer's entry point area, that is a strong area by the buyer side. It may round number level, or it may any strong buyer's entry point area, extreme buyer's area. And if you see market create little range, or there is range but it's little large long range, or it's short range. So any types of situation market may create. Okay. If again breakout happen, that is totally different thing. If again breakout happen, so we have to analyze like that the major trend and the minor trend, same direction. Now we can again go to the sellers and we can analyze to the downward direction and we can apply all the downtrend market rules. But if we see downtrend and uptrend market rules, all the same situation, just all the situations are the same situation, just you have to apply it in the direction of the trend. That is the main thing. So suppose it's a range, it's long range. After this long range, the breakout happened to the upside, or it's a short range. And in between this range, what you see? You see that already market create here a triple bottom pattern or inverted head and shoulder pattern like this, and then market going up. Okay, so this is the basement of the market. So you have to just analyze this area as a basement. No need to place any trade here. When market give you a perfect direction, then only you have to go for trading. Otherwise, no need to place your trade. So after breakout, if you see that market create here a retracement candlestick, after that market again started to going up. So now we can expect a momentum type situation here because it's a very early stage of the market. So new level breakout happen, or and we will get a momentum type situation here like this. Okay, so if the situation is like this type of, so first of all we have to analyze the market by our first rules. What was our first rules? Our first rules was momentum rules. So momentum rules, that means this type of situation happen with high volume. So now we have opportunity here to place our trade to the upper direction. Just we always try to place our trade by following key level to the direction of the trend. Okay, market going up. Okay, so then we have opportunity here to place our trade to the upper direction. So how we analyze and what types of strategy and what types of logic we already analyze here, and we already see here for placing this trade. So step by step we have to analyze. So first of all, it was previous strong trendy downtrend market. So market structure is good. So we can expect market will create another good trading position at the right side also, because left side good, right side also we will get a good situation. So before placing our trade, we have to start analyzing from here. So is there a long range or it's a short range? Is there any pattern? If it's a pattern, what type of pattern this one? This is trend reversal setup. This is looking like inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is shoulder, this is head, and this is shoulder. So if we see this this is the same area, same level, so that time it's a triple bottom pattern, and if little below, so then it's a inverted head and shoulder pattern, and market broke this neckline and going up. So what type of candlestick we can expect here? So we can expect here very weak candlestick by the seller side, and then again buyer centered in the market, or we can create, market can create here a ranging type situation, and we can get sometimes here a psychological movement of the market also, like green red, so green. So we have to place our trade to the upward direction for green candlestick. Third setup, first candle, I already explained. Okay, so how many confirmation we have taken? So previously market already created several waves to the same direction, then sellers are weak at the last stage, and it's a very strong area by the buyer side, and then market create here a ranging type situation. In between this range, market created here a like shark pattern or long range. Finally the resistance level breakout happened very strongly by a strong bullish candlestick. Any types of situation market make, all these are the confirmations. So now after that confirmation that it's the inverted head and shoulder pattern, it's the start pattern, then market going up, breakout happened, the neckline breakout happened, and market going up. So after breakout of this neckline, so now we can expect a strongness sign by the buyer side. So, and another thing, although you are not my the VSA student, but try to understand here, if we get any candlestick, that candlestick break the neckline, or any types of candlestick like this size, okay, sometimes this size with upper rejection, or sometimes lower rejection, or sometimes both side rejection, like this type of candlestick. So, or any types of candlestick, always try to take this type of. So if the resistance level breakout happen when this candlestick, or neckline breakout happen in the case of the chart pattern, or inside of this ranging area, this size candlestick, any one candlestick, that candlestick volume is extra high than previous all others candlestick bar. That is called the climax start candle. So climax start candle, that means after this type of candlestick, this is our confirmation that already buyers volume so high in this area and climax already started. That means market will going to give us here a strong movement by the buyer side. So this is also another confirmation from this area. Okay, so after that, what our expectation? Our expectation, if we get any psychological movement, rising type situation, psychological movement, we can place short trade. Or if we see there is no that type of situation, just we have to follow this momentum, and we can just apply this momentum rules, this one, and if breakout happen, so then market this type of continuation candlestick with high volume, and this level breakout happen, this rejection breakout happen, so we can easily place our trade here to the upper direction. If we can take all these confirmations from the market and we can place our trade below the rejection point here to the upper direction, that is, you can tell that is a sure shot. But we must take each and every confirmations from the market. So now market is going up, okay, so when it's a momentum, so now we can expect another situation here. If we see another candlestick, so that is also, that candlestick volume is also, that volume is also high, so then that also our another signal, and that also our another situation, the momentum rules we can apply, and we can place our trade here to the upper direction. But if we see market exactly close at any resistance level, that time we don't have any opportunity. Although market create a high volume or low volume, we don't have any opportunity, because anytime sellers may enter in the market very strongly. So now suppose there is no level, market going up. So now after this type of situation, if sellers entered in the market, sellers may enter in the market by different way. If there is a level, so that time sellers may enter, or after breakout, sellers may enter. So after breakout, sellers may enter. There is a level, and level breakout happened, then sellers entered in the market. So if sellers entered in the market like this, so now we have opportunity with low volume. The bearish candlestick volume is low. So if this bullish candlestick volume high, and then this bearish candlestick volume low, so that time we have opportunity here to place our trade to the upper direction below the breakout level. Below the breakout level, we have opportunity. But if we see there is a resistance level here, so then we don't have any opportunity, because next candlestick market may again fall down like this. Okay, so we have just opportunity here because breakout happened. Who broke this level? These buyers broke this level. So it's act as a retracement candle acting, but there is a gap. So market may fill up this gap by creating another candlestick here. That's why we always try to place our trade below this level here to the upper direction. So market may create another candlestick here. If market create another candlestick here, that volume is also low. So then we can expect sellers very weak at the buyers area. So now buyers will again lead the market to the upward direction. So if the buyers again create this type of candlestick, so now it's a 1, 2, 3 rules. This 1, 2, and then 3. So this 2 candlestick volume step by step low, and if this candlestick volume is high, so we can place our trade by following this key level, because the level breakout happened. So market may create here a market may got rejected and go up, or market may create retracement. Most of the time, if the market condition is like this type of an a market is strongly moving up, going up, and it's a momentum, so most of the time it got rejected like this and go up. So now this is two rules is here. This is color sense rules. Again here, the first one is color sense rules. Second one is pullback rules. Third one is color sense rules again. And fourth one is 1, 2, 3 rules is here. So another rules is after pullback, a strong candlestick will lead the market to the upward direction if the volume is high. So many rules is here. So after this type of situation, if this candlestick volume again high, so then we have again opportunity here to place short trade to the upper direction. But if we see the volume is not high, we don't have any opportunity. Okay, market is going up. So after this type of situation, if we see again another candlestick market from here, that is very weak candlestick by the seller side, we have again opportunity to place short trade to the upper direction. Just we have to follow the key levels. If any level breakout happen, we always try to place short trade by following that level, or we can just place short trade by 50% level if there is no breakout. So now if we see market going up like this and it create another candlestick here, and this candlestick volume again, if low, then we don't have opportunity, but if high, then we have opportunity. So now we have to place short trade below that level. If we see market came here for rejection, we can place short trade below that level here to the upper direction. So if market create this size candlestick here, so now we have opportunity, another opportunity here if the bearish candlestick volume is low here. So what opportunity? This is resistance level previously, breakout happened, this is retracement candlestick, this one, and main logic is green, red, and volume is low. That means psychological rules here. So we can easily place short trade below this level here to the upper direction. Market will again go up. So we can apply this type of easy rules to the direction of the trend. Okay, so market is going up. If we see there is a level, that level little strong level, and market reversing here first time, then it trying to create a short ranging type situation, and then second time. So we have opportunity when it came to the third time, exactly at this area, and market create this type of candlestick with low volume. This candlestick volume is low. So then we have opportunity here to place short trade to the downward direction. So little go up market. Just we can place short trade from here to the downward direction because it's a third point. First, second, and then third. So same thing, same logic we have to apply. We can apply here also. So if we see market, this is the third point. So this one, the third point, when market exactly close at the third point with very weak candlestick market create very weak candlestick by the seller side with low volume. So then we have opportunity here to place short trade again to the upward direction. Thus we can use the third point in this type of tight range. But we can also analyze in this type of market also. So what's the internal function here? So I will try to explain in the chart also today. So, but this is very easy if we can use the third point in this type of tight range. So third point we can apply here also at the resistance level. Third point we can apply. Okay, so and we can draw any support level, and if we see that support third point support level, market is creating this type of weak bearish candlestick, so we can easily place short trade. And if we draw like this type of SNR level, and that level, at that level the volume is low and market is uptrend, it's not create any downtrend market condition situation, so that time we can place short trade. I already explained in the assignment. So just we have to follow this type of rules, and this type of rules we will get this type of rules again and again in the chart. So it will each and every time market will give us opportunity. After sometimes we will get opportunity. All these easy rules we can apply for placing our sure short trade to the direction of the trend. If we see the level breakout happen like this type of, after rejection market broke this level and market falling down, just same logic, same thing we have to just apply in the downtrend market also, just like this type of. If we see market create the any bullish candlestick here, so that candlestick volume is low here and it broke any support level previously, like this type of support level, and market create this candlestick with low volume. So this candlestick volume is high and this candlestick volume is low. So then we have opportunity here to place order to the downward direction, because already we confirmed that market released from this area, and now it's a very strong movement by the seller side. That means one party already stronger. Why? Because it's an extreme seller's entry point area market already created here. First time, second time, third time, fourth time market reverse, and finally market broke this level very strongly by this strong candlestick and strong candlestick market creating. And after breakout of the support level, buyers is very weak, and it create a inverted hammer type candlestick and with low volume. So then we have opportunity here to place our trade to the downward direction. So this is our rules. We can easily place our trade here to the downward direction. So same thing, we can apply the psychological movement. If another bullish candlestick formed here like this, so then we can apply the psychological red, green. So third point, first candlestick in the downtrend market, we have to place our trade just from this point or from 50% level. We can place our trade to the downward direction by taking margin of safety, because it's a psychological or logical movement running here now. Red, then green. So now this is our third point, first candle. First this one red green, second this one red green. So third set of first candlestick, we can place our trade to the downward direction. So we can apply all other sources. So when market is going up, so this is color sense as well as inside bar pattern. So after inside bar pattern, market go up. Same situation here. This is the outside bar pattern. So already market created here outside bar pattern. So if we see there is a level, that level breakout happened with high volume, this candlestick volume high. So then we have opportunity to place our trade little above this level to the downward direction. Market will again fall down. But if we see market exactly close at this area, so that time we don't have any opportunity. But if we see there is a level, that level breakout happened, then we have opportunity to place our trade to the downward direction. So market may create so many rules or so many situations. Just we have to try to handle it by following the market structure, market movement, and we always try to place our trade to the direction of the trend. So we can draw SNR level, we can draw only resistance level like this one and this one we can draw. And if we see, suppose from there is a buyer's entry point area here, and buyers strongly entered in the market, and it already created like first, second, third, fourth, like this type of momentum. So we don't have any opportunity in this case. But if we see market create this first candlestick, this one, but second candlestick, this one. So if there is a level, that level is a very weak level, that not so strong level, not extreme level. So that time we have opportunity here also, third point, for placing our trade to the downward direction. Because first time buyers are stronger, but second time buyers weak. Why are buyers weak? At the seller's area, and that candlestick volume is low. That means buyers are very weak at the seller's area. So sellers will lead the market to the downward direction. Market will again fall down. So, but if we see market is very strong by the buyer side exactly at this area, and after that market create two strong candlestick, and that level breakout happen, or market exactly close below that level from this strong area by the buyer side. That is little tricky situation. That is that is not a very perfect situation. So that is that time 50-50% chance. Market may go up or market may fall down also. That time we don't have any opportunity. But if we see it's a minor level, or if we see there is no level here, we will see there is no level. So just market create this type of pullback situation. So after this pullback, these buyers are very weak at the seller's area. So we can easily place our trade to the down direction of the trend, downward direction. So in this type of situation, why we drawn like this resistance level? Because it's a trendy market. This is a seller's entry point. This is another seller's entry point. So now this is very strong point, because it's the third point. So already 2 times market reversed from the same level, same area. That's why when buyers again stop exactly at the seller's entry point area here, so then we have opportunity here to place our trade to the downward direction. And it will give us winning trade most of the time. So same situation here also. We can just draw support here to here, and if we can draw SNR here to here. So SNR we can draw SNR here to here, like we can draw like this type of support, breakout, then resistance. The third point, market again came here. So if market again came here, this bullish candlestick came here, and there is a little gap. So if we see this candlestick volume is low like this one low, and there is, although there is a gap, we don't have opportunity to place or trade immediately here. No, just when market little go up above this SNR level, so then we have opportunity from here to place or trade to the downward direction. Because there is a gap, market may fill up this gap sometimes. So that's why we don't have any opportunity immediately here for placing our trade to the downward direction. So now, suppose market started from here. We already know that there is a extreme seller's entry point area here. So that area is a very, very strong area by the seller side. And market already got rejected from here, like this. Or this candlestick got rejected from here or exactly close here with extra high volume, like this type of volume, extra high volume. Then all others candlestick volume. So then we have to think that this is climax in situation. So buying climax in situation, that means so buyers will going to give us a ranging type situation. After that, sellers will enter in the market and it will turn the market to the downward direction. So if market create this extra large candlestick, not extra large like this size candlestick here, so sometimes a very weak candlestick and with extra high volume is also a symptoms that it will buyers almost completed, so buyers almost finished, so it will not go more up. So within a short time, it will not immediately give us like this type of range. Sometimes immediately, or sometimes it can just little go above. If there is no level here, level little above, so it can continue to the same direction little up. Then market may create ranging type situation, and then market may again fall down. So that's the VSA concept. So when you see this type of situation, no need to place your trade to the upward direction, just you have to wait and you have to just observe the market structure and market movement. Then you have again opportunity to place your trade to the downward direction only. So same thing here. If any this type of candlestick with extra a large volume than previous all others candlestick volume, like this all others candlestick volume sizes, like this type of, and this candlestick volume is like extra high that previous all others candlestick was. So then it's a selling climax start. That means sellers become powerful because it's an extreme sellers entry point area. From that area, sellers are stronger. So market make most of the time market create like 3-4 waves to the same direction. After that, if it hit any extreme buyers entry point area with extra high volume, so then sellers almost done. Market will going to give us here a ranging type situation. So by that symptoms, we can easily recognize that yes, we don't have any opportunity to go with the sellers. So we can apply all the rules in the uptrend market, early stage of the market, momentum rules, these color sense rules, inside bar rules, outside bar rules, pullback rules, 1 to 3 rules, then after pattern, any continuation candlestick, that rules. So so many rules is I already explained, and same situation in the downtrend market also. And when we have to start, when we will get a climax, then we have to start, and when we climax in, then we have to stop. Again, start from climax and in from we can continue till market give us another climax situation at the right side here, downtrend market. So this is the way actually to place a trade, sheer short trade, by easy and very perfect way, by adding all other concepts of the market. It may from price action, it may from VSA, it may from CWRV, so it may from market structure and the movement. Okay, so and we can apply this type of like this type of ranging market. Okay, so just try to understand here. I'm showing you some situations. So previously It was trendy market previously, and when market came to this round number level, what we see? We see that market created here a chart pattern, that is inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, this is shoulder, this is shoulder. That means this area is giving us here a chart pattern. Chart pattern, that means it's a very, very strong pattern. Trend reversal setup or trend reversal pattern. So what happened here? So this was the last level, that means this is neckline. So when neckline breakout happened, so market create here a another candlestick. That candlestick is a retracement candlestick because this level breakout happened. So new level breakout happened by this candlestick. So now we can analyze from here, and we can also analyze from here also, because already market created here a this situation that from this support area buyers strongly entered in the market and breakout happened, resistance level breakout. That means the neckline breakout happened. After that, this bearish candlestick, retracement candlestick, exactly close here. It failed to break this level. So that means with low volume. So we can apply here inside the inside bar rules, or inside bar rules we can call, or we can call color sense rules, and we can take here psychological rules. So three rules we can apply here for placing a trade in this candlestick here to the upper direction. So how? This is green, red, green, this is the red. Third point. So this is already two points we already identify here. Two setup, green, red. This is one setup. Another setup, green, red. So second setup, this red candlestick volume is low. So third setup, first candlestick, we can place our trade here to the upper direction. Market go up. So now finally the breakout happened and then momentum. So now if we take these two candlestick, this candlestick is spring top type candlestick, volume is high, and this breakout happen also here. So that means we have opportunity in this candlestick here for placing our trade to the upper direction. So now this candlestick volume is low, first of all, and another, why market create this type of situation, why these sellers entered in the market. So there are two reasons. First reasons is, if any level breakout happen, then market may create this type of candlestick as a retracement candlestick. Then next time, next candlestick, more possibility market go up. Or if we see there is a resistance level, so from that resistance level, sellers may enter in the market. So we can check this one. Okay, why? What's the reason? Yes, see, is the resistance level, and from that resistance level, it's a trend starting point here. Market strongly falling down from here by creating high, lower high, low, lower low, and falling down. So trend starting point, and from exactly from this trend starting point, buyers are very, very weak. So buyers are very, very weak with low volume at the sellers area. So that's why we don't have any opportunity to go with the buyers here. We have to just wait for another candlestick. So now this candlestick formed here. So this is looking like a little large candlestick here, but the volume is low. So there is a rules here. It's also a very, very perfect rules in VSA. So by that rules, we can place our trade, or we can analyze like different way. So what's the way? So we have some other rules. We have we can easily apply here the pullback rules of CWRV. What are pullback rules? So pullback rules, that means if this candlestick, this and this candlestick, two candlestick formed in the market, and that last candlestick volume is low, where its volume low, that volume is low from any support. So this is the hidden level of the market. This is called the price difference level. So exactly, sellers again weak at the buyers area. So if this candlestick is a weak candlestick, that will very perfect. So but we can apply here these pullback rules. So sellers weak at the buyers area, so buyers will lead the market to the upper direction. So now this candlestick is a strong candlestick, and the level breakout happened with high volume. That means buyers again is strong. So next candle up. So now we can apply here pullback rules, here color sense rules, here after pullback strong candlestick with high volume, that rules, and the 1, 2, 3 rules. This one, this two candlestick volume is low, and now this candlestick volume is high. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 rules we can apply here. So next candle up. So now after this situation, if we see this candlestick volume high and it's a continuation candle, we have opportunity here to place order to the upper direction. So there is no that type of situation here. So, but next candlestick market giving us another rules is here. First the rules, this is the inside bar pattern. This is one rules, and another rules is this is the color sense rules. So after a breakout, this is the color sense rules. So we have opportunity to place order at 50% level from this candlestick here to the upper direction. Market will again go up. So this is the color sense. Why? This bearish candlestick with low volume. So now we have opportunity. So now this candlestick again break this level with high volume. So that means this is the color sense rules again here. Bearish then bullish. So with high volume. So now we can place our trade in this candlestick here to the upper direction. So now this round number level breakout. So round number level little risky level. So no need to analyze or place your trade here. After this candlestick, when again market go up, so now we have opportunity here to place our trade to the upper direction after this situation. So, but when we place our trade, this is the main question. If we see this candlestick break any level here, so then only we can place our trade, or any level below here or 50% level, then only we have opportunity to place our trade to the upper direction. We can check, is there any level breakout happen here or not, like here. Okay. So there are, if we see there is no market, so no need to see the previous or more previous history of the market. No, it's not a perfect way. So we can just wait for a perfect opportunity. If this candlestick came for rejection from 50% level, we can easily place our trade in this candlestick here to the upper direction. Or there is another rules. What the rules? Rules is like psychological movement, green, red, green, red. So this is the green candlestick, but this candlestick volume is high. So if volume high, we don't have any opportunity, but we can wait for another opportunity. So now market again create this candlestick. So this is another candlestick, the color sense rules here, and this is the support here. Color sense rules, this is the support. So volume is low. So now we have opportunity here to place our trade to the upper direction. That means this for the sequence like this: green, red, green, red, green, red. So then green. So it's the fourth point. First candlestick, that's why it's little risky, but we can apply here color sense rules here, and below the support level or exactly at the support level, we can place our trade here to the upper direction. Market will again go up. So now this volume is high again. So now we have again opportunity for place our trade to the upward direction from the breakout point, here, or from 50% point here. If market give us opportunity for placing our trade from the breakout point, that is very perfect. We can place our trade. So it's a winning trade. So now if this candlestick volume again low, now again color sense rules, we can easily place our trade again by applying color sense rules. What's the color sense rules here? We can place our trade just 50% level or again breakout level here to the upper direction. Market will again go up. So if this candlestick volume again low, then we have opportunity here also to place our trade to the upper direction, but volume is high, so we don't have any opportunity. So here to here, there are so many opportunities we can easily get if we know all the logic of the market, all the situations of the market. So if we draw any level, so that level, if we draw any support here from here, so we can easily okay, this one, I think this one here. So now first point, second point, third point, this is the volume is low. This bearish candlestick very near to this support area. So when market little came below, we can place our trade here to the upper direction. So we can just, if we just know all the rules very perfectly, so we can easily place our trade and we can easily make money from this market. Because if we see, if we know the level trading, if we know the pattern trading, if we know the momentum rules, if we know the color sense rules, pullback rules, psychological rules, so each and every time it will give us winning trade most of the time. So market again going up. Okay, so if this level breakout happen with high volume, this volume is high. Okay, so now again we have opportunity to place our trade in this candlestick here to the upper direction from where? Below this level. That means below this breakout level here to the upper direction. So if this candlestick volume again low, so then we have opportunity in this candlestick here to the upper direction. But market already created, see, market already created here to here so many waves, and this is round number level. So already market created. So here it's a round number level. It's little dangerous area. So we can avoid. So now we have to avoid this one also because it's more dangerous because already it was a little early stage, but it's the last stage of the market. Already buyers showing its weakness and volume also low. So that's why we don't have any opportunity. But if we see market create third point, we have opportunity to place short trade to the downward direction. Exactly third point. So no breakout, exactly third point, and volume is low, buyer's volume is low, then we have opportunity to place short trade to the downward direction. So now see, this is one types of candlestick. This is not, this one is very perfect. If we see this type of candlestick here with extra high volume than previous all others candlestick volume, so that is the climax candle. We don't have any opportunity to go with the buyers more. So sellers may enter in the market by creating any chart pattern, and it will create a very strong situation by the seller side within a short time. So market little go up, and then finally market again falling down by creating head and shoulder pattern again here. So market again falling down. So if we get any another situation here or another rules here by CWRV, we can easily place our trade to the direction of the trend. So just we need to take confirmation if market give us any rules here, so then we can easily place our trade by that rule. By that rules here to the downward direction only. So market, sometimes market may create like this type of ranging type situation, this type of ranging type situation. So if we see this type of ranging situation, like here, there is a round number level also here. Okay, so try to understand here. So if we start from here and if we analyze this type of market, ranging market here, we can easily analyze, but it can give us little confusion situation. We may little confused. So how? Try to understand here. I am trying to start here and I will try to explain all these candlestick, what's happening here. So now, if I draw a level, this is a doji level of the market. So market exactly close here at the doji level. So buyers tried to break this level and go up, and it tried to create a strong candlestick here, but sellers push the market down and it closed below here. So volume is low. So buyers weak, that's why sellers entered in the market. Okay. So now from this area, from this sellers area, so now sellers again push the market down. So again, this is another, see this one, lower point. That means this is another support. So what happened here? Buyers push the market up and it closed the market up here. If buyers are so stronger, definitely the volume increase. So buyers fail to increase this volume. That's why sellers again entered in the market. Okay, now what happened? So this is another, basically there is support here and there is another doji level here. So what happened? Market got rejected from this doji level and it pushed the market up. This time volume is high. That means buyer's volume in this case high, because this is a level from after rejection, buyer's volume high. So buyers entered in the market. So now the question is, this candlestick volume is low, but why next candle up? See, market hit this seller's entry point area, seller's area. So when these buyers entered in the market, it's okay. So when it pushed the market up, so sellers strongly push the market down and it closed here. The upper rejection also large, but sellers fail to increase their volume. That's why next candlestick again up. So now see, market from this support area, buyers got rejected and pushed the market up here. And again, when seller, it's again came to this area, see, seller's area. So these buyers again push the market up here and it hit this seller's area, and again sellers push the market down. So this volume exactly increase from this area. This is sellers volume, so sellers push the market down. That means next candlestick down. Sellers again is stronger here. Okay, so now these sellers again push the market down and got rejected exactly from here. Market push the market, sellers push the market down, and this body, strong body, and lower rejection, very weak, this rejection. That means there is some buyers, but they are not so strong. If they are really so strong, so then it push the market more up. These candlestick come out as a like this type of hammer candlestick, this type of hammer candlestick here, but it failed. That's why sellers volume is high here. So that's why sellers again enter in the market. So exactly at the buyers area, this buyers area, volume is low. That means sellers again weak here. That's why again buyers entered in the market. So now these buyers, strong buyers, breakout happen with high volume. That means next candle up. So this is the analysis in this type of ranging type situation. If you can understand this type of situation, so then you can analyze. Otherwise, I already explained so many easy rules says when market formed and when market became stronger, when market give you level trading, when market give you the momentum strategy, when market give you the color sense rules, again colors pullback rules, again color sense rules, so inside bar pattern rules, and the psychological movement rules. So in the uptrend market and in the downtrend market also. So you can easily apply this type of rules. So basically that today's topics is your last topics for this course. So just now what you have to do, you have to, first of all, you have to analyze the market. First of all, you have to analyze the market by all the rules first. Then you have to practice in demo, and you have to identify, you have to find out 1, 2, or 3 rules that rules are very perfect for you. That means that working each and every time, almost each and every time when you placing your trade, just 90% trade is will your winning trade by that rules. So you have to identify that type of rules. After that, you have to follow the money management system, money management rules. So by following that money management rules, money management system, then you have to go for real trading. Okay, and if you face any problem, if you have any doubts about any topics, about anything, just take a screenshot and send to me. So I will explain, and I will try to clear your doubt in my free time. I have so many students all over the world. That's why it may take little time, but I must solve all of your doubts and all of your problems. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
it's all about today's topics and the CWRB courses also. So thanks for joining my course, and thanks for joining today's session.
Thank you, sir. So 1 second.
Yes.
So you will provide the recordings, right?
Sorry?
You will provide the recordings, right?
Yes.
Recordings.
Yes, if you want, I will provide. But always remember one thing: don't share any of my recording or any of my videos with others. Okay, you
No, sir.
pay me. That's
not.
why I will provide you if you need. Okay.
Yeah, for reference and all that, I will not share it with anyone.
Okay, so now so it may take some time, so I have to work on it, then I will provide. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So one other thing.
Yes.
The climax candle, should it be a breakout candle?
Breakout candle, that means try to understand. Suppose climax may, basically it's a VSA topics. Climax may start from any range. Okay, so if this type of breakout happen, neckline breakout happen, and that volume is extra high, that is the climax. And climax may start little later also, like this type of candlestick, or like this type of candlestick with extra high volume. Okay, so then previous all other candlestick volume, that's the climax. There are some other conditions of the market when and how climax may start. So it's a little deep explanation. I just try to explain you little shortly.